Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Good morning. Hi, Harlow. How are you? Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay. What's
I'm
today?
going, well, it's Tuesday and it's Sunday.
It's Tuesday and it's Sunday. What are you getting ready to do?
Hot cocoa.
You gonna have some hot cocoa for your breakfast? How come you're having hot cocoa?
Because it's winter and my elf is here and he said, let's have some
Go
hot
show
cocoa."
everybody.
See?
Because your elf said, let's have hot chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then he moved that over there because he was
So we're starting the day with hot chocolate. I like
And
this.
look at it. It's 22 more days.
Only 22 more days.
And look, we got this from last Christmas.
Yeah.
If we did film it and you were a fan of us, you would remember. But if you're not, die.
Wow. What is this little fella doing? What's he doing, buddy?
Stay with
You paying toys? All right, let's see if these are warm enough. Nope.
I get to do something super fun at my church.
What do you get to do?
I have this type of like bingo Christmas list thing.
Uh-huh.
It's 5 in a row, and if you get 5 in a row of doing a Christmas thing, you're gonna get a prize if you take that back to the church.
Oh.
And this is not in the row that I'm doing, but it is one of the things that I have to do.
Okay.
So I'm thinking hot cocoa.
All right. Well done. I'm
I
excited
get
to
a
see what the
prize.
results are.
I
All
have
right.
a prize.
So as you can see, no leaves on the trees.
Except for those ones, but those do not count. Those
Yeah.
are normal.
Yeah.
Those are bushes, not trees.
We've got, oh, there's our Mickey Mouse Christmas display. Corbin's playroom. Little messy.
Yes, play.
But, it's nice out. It's cold.
This is Ian's.
Okay.
That is Salem's. This is mine.
Well, where's Corbin's?
He only brings 3.
You better bring a dinosaur for Corbin. So. All right. Well, let's. These should be good. Yep. All right. You can open. Well, let me help you do that. Okay.
I can do it over.
I smell children. There you go. We're gonna have to get one of Corbin's cups too. Stir. Mix.
Time for me to store.
Anybody looked at the ingredients on this? Dude? Oh, bless you, dude. Contains milk.
Nothing. Go up 5.
It doesn't have bioengineered chemicals in there.
We'll find out.
We'll find out. Oh, shoot. Getting a little rambunctious with my stirring there. All right, so we're doing some spring cleaning. Still need to, you can see how dirty that is, but painted these walls. I call it spring cleaning, which is stupid because it's winter. You know, I'm not the smartest of people. I don't know if you've picked up on that yet or not. Here's an interesting fact about this. When we bought this house, we didn't realize that if you turn the fan on, it just goes up and filters out the sides. See the vents there? Yeah, there's no escape. That goes right up into our bedroom. So that ceiling and those walls were disgusting. Super, super greasy and brown and gross. Huh?
Guys, please. I also gave Buddy a new hat.
Yes. So Buddy got a new hat.
I gave it to him because one of the days he gave his hat to someone else.
Mm-hmm.
Not like a different elf, but like he was doing something crazy.
Yeah.
Like elves do. And he wasn't wearing his hat, and that was too tall for him because so he couldn't go back well. So I gave him a new hat, and the first day he was wearing it, he put it all the way over his head, and he's just holding on to something like this.
He crazy, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think of the hot cocoa, buddy? Is it good?
That's $1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so we did some painting of the ceiling because there's not water damage, but there was previous line right there. So we cleaned it. In fact, you could see a little bit right there. I probably need to go over that. And then put these boards up. Why? Because the cats and dogs ate that part of the wall. Hold on. Our garage is full of stuff right now. And we started taking some, like packing some stuff that we're not using. So we're putting stuff in boxes. I installed a new garage door opener yesterday. It's the same one as this one I installed, because this hasn't been working for a while. Trying to organize things, guys. It's gross. All right, look, here's the deal. How do I look? Do I look like shit? I gotta look terrible. I don't feel very good.
You look
stressed.
fine.
Oh, thanks. You're very nice. So we haven't like really announced it, and it's not 100%, but there is a possibility that we might be selling and moving, and we've always toyed with the idea of a move down to Florida. So, you know, the economy sucks, and now would be the absolute worst time to do this, but we're crazy. Okay, thanks for interrupting. Go ahead.
More Disney vlogs for you guys.
That's right. Okay, go inside.
No, I will be going to hotels. We'll stay in there.
Yeah. So anyway, we'll see. We're just in this weird place. We'll fill you guys in more as things progress. All right, buddy. I think this is a good start to our morning. What do you think? Have a cookie. Start your day off with some junk food. Get ready to go to church. Is that good? Yeah?
That's a good
You a good cookie? Okay, give me 5. Knuckles. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hi. Well, shit. So this just happened. Yep, driving my dad's car now to go pick up some of the family from church, because they won't all fit in here. So I'm probably gonna stay behind, let Kristen take everybody home, and then she can come back and she can get me. Shit. I hope that's a blown motor. I hope I gotta pay like, I don't know, $15,000. That would be awesome. That's where we're at lately. Things have taken a turn for the worst with the Neverlanders, and we just cannot catch a win lately. Holy shit. It's a season in life, guys. This is what happens. If you expect everything to go perfect all the time, you're a nut job. This sucks. It sucks. It sucks. It sucks. It's more shit to deal with. Yeah. I don't know if I told you guys this. I bought this Audi for myself for a job that I got, and this was a piece of shit. Bought this car, put less than 2,000 miles on it, needed a new transmission. You know how much a new transmission costs in an Audi? Yeah, it's a lot. Even though this is a 2012, it costs $16,000. Yep. Got some upper engine work done. Thank God for a third-party warranty. I had to come out of pocket about $1,100. It was like $22,000 for all the work. And the mechanic's like, you should probably sell that thing. It's a piece of shit. So we got the stress of this, and now the expedition. Welcome over to the Neverlander channel. If you haven't thought about subscribing, like and comment. Never mind. Ignore that. You're not gonna do that anyway. The 30 people that are gonna watch this. Sorry, I'm in a mood. I can't help it because things suck right now. But how are you? I hope that you're good. I hope that you're ready for Christmas. I hope that you got all the money in the world so that you can buy your family some stuff. I'm not getting shit. Kristen's not getting shit. We're gonna get a repaired car.
Way back before we blew it all.
Well, when life gives you lemons.